Hey guys, what's going on? I just wanted to say Merry Christmas to all the people that watch this channel, especially my subscribers, because you guys are the ones that keep this channel moving. Each and every one of you that hits the subscribe button. So hopefully you guys are catching this video. It is Christmas Day. While you guys are all fumbling around on YouTube looking for how-tos to put your kids' toys together, hopefully you guys can share this video around, because I'm going to start something a little bit new for the upcoming year, but we're going to start it today on Christmas to say thank you to all of my subscribers. I had one subscriber picked at random that I'm going to send them a $100 prepaid Visa card. I was going to do like a $100 Harley Davidson gift card or something like that, but I figured that would be more usable to anybody anywhere. So the subscriber that won the gift card is Mr. Richard Sherman. He's been a subscriber for quite some time. Richard, if you see this, please get a hold of me. You didn't have an email on your subscriber profile or your YouTube channel profile, so I can't reach out to you via email. But do me a favor, maybe drop a comment from your YouTube channel under this video. That way I can confirm it to you. I can see that it came from your channel, and I'll figure out how to get in touch with you and how to get that gift card shipped to you. So stay tuned throughout the upcoming year, because I think we're going to do a few more giveaways, especially to subscribers. Maybe do some that are based on, hey, let's hit a new subscriber number, then I'm going to give you know, bam, we're going to give something away. So if you haven't already clicked subscribe, make sure you hit that subscribe button down there, and then hit that notification bell. That way you get notifications when videos are coming out, and some of those videos may contain special information about something I'm giving away. So do me a favor, guys, you know what to do, and have a Merry Christmas to you and all of your families. Hopefully we have a great new year. Thank you for watching, guys. I really do appreciate each and every one of you that clicks that subscribe button and rates these videos and drops comments. I don't always get to respond to all of them, but I truly do appreciate them, and I really am blessed to have you guys watching this channel. So thank you very much, and we will see you on the next video, guys.